our core values: care.
All seasons, all systems, Alltech.
Provide, my knowledge to customers and, just make them comfortable.
Today's topic is going to be calibrating your thermostat.
Hi there, I'm Anna Swisher, the newest member of the Alltech Services marketing team. As a marketing assistant,
Hi everyone, I'm Trevor Parker, Marketing Manager here at Alltech Services, and today is a very special day. We've officially hit 40,000 subscribers on YouTube.
I'm going to be interviewing
Joseph Wooder. I'm the Chief Human Resource Officer as well as the in-house counsel for Alltech Services.
Today's quick tip is noises coming from your system.
and today I'm going to be asking Kyle some questions about Alltech. There's a million reasons to join the Alltech Services team. Let me show you a few. Loudoun County, it's Anna with Alltech Services weather report for the week of July.
Our heat strips and make sure that they're working properly.
We're going to be asking Julia some questions about her work and life here at Alltech Services. Oh, call Alltech.
Hi everyone, my name is Alyssa and I'm excited to introduce myself as a new marketing assistant here at Alltech Services.
Kinetic AI, taking some of our calls has been a huge relief.
Happy Halloween, Alltech Services.
And today's question is, why is my water bill suddenly higher?
Happy Veterans Day from Alltech Services.
What are you thankful for?
Thankful for the people here.
I'm thankful for this Alltech family that we have here.
So what was the most valuable thing you learned from this year's BPW?
We want to thank you for the 600,000 subscribers.
The first one I had from Tony Watson. It was a very good experience working with Sid and Alltech.